Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to deactivate Threads account. So let's start the process. First of all, open Thread app. After it open, you will see your profile icon at the right bottom. Tap on your profile icon. Now you will see the two lines at the right top. Tap on these two lines. Tap on the fourth option, account. Now you will see the option deactivate profile on the second number. Simply tap on this one. And here is the option deactivate thread profiles. One important thing, if you will delete your threads profile or deactivate your thread profile, this will not affect your Instagram account. Mostly people are saying if you deactivate your threads account, your Instagram account will also be affected by this. Maybe it will be deleted or deactivated. So it will not happen. You can delete your thread account without any worry. And also you will see this icon. This will not affect your Instagram account. So by deactivating thread profile, nothing will happen to your Instagram account. So if you want to deactivate the thread profile, simply tap on deactivate thread profile icon. Now tap on deactivate. Now it start processing. So now my thread account has been deactivated from my device. So by this way you can also deactivate your thread account from your mobile.